Hi, folks. Happy Monday morning. Here is our week 5 La Semana, which is for today, February 26th, all the way to Sunday, March 3rd. Can you believe we're going to be in March already? All right. So, a couple of announcements. Friendly reminder that in most situations, you do have to go back and reply in that weekly discussion. So many of you did it this week. So thank you so much for that. But there were still a few of us who forgot that we had to do that. So don't forget. Okay. I'll try my best to remind you here, but also go back and just check that discussion and see if there's anything been posted on the bottom. All right, second announcement I have is the Unit 1 projects, your interview with a mathematician. I'm super excited to watch these videos and hear about who you've been learning some stuff about and how that maybe resonates with you in your life. All right, so week 5 overview. All right, I want to give us like a little bit of an overview of what we're going to do in the next probably like 4 or 5 weeks. But we are officially done with our first unit, which was history of mathematics. And in the second unit, we're going to be looking at personal finance. Okay. Now, the timing of this is important because I wanted to do our personal finance unit like right before taxes are due in April. Okay. So we're going to start this week off by talking about the idea of interest. Like, how is it that you can sort of pay something, but then owe more than what you actually thought you were going to pay. Okay. So this idea of interest. And then we're gonna have some choice in terms of like what we want to learn about personal finance. Okay, so there's going to be like, I've always wanted to learn about credit and credit cards and maybe mortgages because I want to buy a house, or car loans, or taxes. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of room for us to choose like what we want to study. But I think the first week it's important that we do this idea of interest together. Okay. All right, so for this week, here are your assignments. Okay, so in week 5, we have 3 assignments. Number 1, you're gonna do a simple and compound interest assignment on My Open Math. Okay, so you can see it says simple and compound interest. You just click on it and it's gonna send you to the My Open Math page. But take a look at this note at the bottom. All of the My Open Math questions have a video you can watch to help you solve the problem. Okay, so like you'll pull up the problem, there'll be a place where there's a video link if you want to click video for help. And in that video, they do a very similar problem to the one that you're being asked to do. Okay. And so I've chosen ones that all have a video. So if we get stuck, we can just look at that video and hopefully that'll help us figure out how to solve those problems. Okay. But if you have questions, let me know sooner rather than later. And I'd be so very happy to help you out. All right, second assignment, there is a week 5 discussion, okay? Now, since there was no discussion last week, we don't have anything to go back to. We just have a week 5 discussion. And in this discussion, you're gonna check out 2 videos, or I think 1 video on paying back auto loans, okay? So for those of you who are maybe thinking about buying a car, or you have purchased a car, just kind of thinking a little bit more about what it means to pay back those auto loans. All right, the third assignment some of us have already finished, and that's that portfolio reflection number 1. Okay, so if you did that for last week, great. And if you haven't done it yet, I think there's probably about 20 of us who haven't done it yet. Please take a look at that and get that done by this Sunday. Okay, friendly reminder that no late assignments are accepted. So I really look forward to seeing your work on time. All right, have a great week, folks. I'll see you soon.